ensure that the installation is carried out in optimal conditions, we must clean the surface. The DUAL-VOX LTG equipment can be installed in glass with a hole from 2 cm to 10 cm diameter. Basic installation tools. We will need a flexometer, a BRISTOL type wrench, a number 14 mixing wrench, tube and cable gland that is included. We start with internal module, where are the internal and external volume control. Also on-off controls and the mute function. The power connection comes out of this module. The external module has the connectors to pass through the hole in the glass. We start installation by removing the nut on the washer that is located on the external unit. With the BRISTOL wrench, we remove the screws of the internal module. We use the metal cover on the back of the internal module to fix the cover of the external module, as shown in the image. Take in mind that the fixing nuts of the indoor unit must be located so that they are shorter towards to the top of the cover. Use the washer and the nut to fix the cover and the external module. Make a level verification. To install the internal module, remove the power cables from the electronic board. Introduce the cables into the tube and cable glands. Go through the cable through the hole in the indoor unit to proceed with the connection. Connect the power supply cable to the electronic board and use the external module connectors to install in the internal board. Close the unit and secure again with the screws. Use silicone glue to secure the cable gland to the glass.